Hey guys, this is Leo. I'm chewing gum, bringing you another video. In this video, we're going to be opening up this LARQ pitcher. Now, if you've seen my previous video with the LARQ water bottle, which I have here, it is the same concept, just with an actual filter in this particular pitcher. I'm guessing it still uses the ultraviolet light to break down the contaminants inside of the water, and it would just give you a Brita-like pitcher with this current technology. So let's open it up and let's see what it looks like. I'm actually very excited for it. It was on a wait list. I think it may still be sold out, and there still may be a wait list for it, but let's open it up and check it out. All right, so first things first, it says pure water beyond filtration, LARQ. You look at this, a smarter way to hydrate. No other pitcher gives you the seamless experience and uncompromising innovation that the LARQ Pitcher Pure Vis offers. Download the LARQ app. Intelligent filter life tracking, stop counting the days. Smart sensors track the volume of water consumed by your household for the most accurate filter change alerts, not some arbitrary time frame. Water quality monitoring, access our comprehensive water quality database online or through the LARQ app. Knowledge is power, currently available for US only. Easy filter replacements, no need to hoard filters. When you sign up for auto replenishments, we'll deliver filter replacements right to your door. And then the rest is in English, not in English, in different languages there. Let's open this up here and put it over here. Two-stage filtration purification is better. Traditional filters simply trap contaminants where they can quickly multiply and reverse contaminate your drinking water. Oh, that's not good. The LARQ Pitcher Pure Vis eradicates contaminants by going beyond filtration. Better filtration. 1. Our innovative plant-based filters are independently tested to NFS, ANSI 42 and 53 standards, whatever that means, to be effective against pollutants like lead, chlorine, mercury, VOCs, cadmium, particulates, and more. 2. Pure Vis UVC LED. Proprietary Pure Vis technology purifies your water by destroying biocontaminants at the molecular level. And here it goes. You have everything that it fights against: lead, chlorine, mercury, cadmium, copper, zinc, VOCs, arsenic, asbestos, bacteria, viruses, and more. And then you have your little picture here. It says Hello Pure Water. Scientifically proven technology, long-lasting filters. LARQ filters last up to 50% longer than leading brands, filtering 60 gallons of water before the next replacement. Pure tasting water. Pure water provides better tasting coffee, tea, smoothies, everything. For a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle, self-cleaning and worry-free Pure Vis technology works seamlessly in the background to keep your water and pitcher clean 24/7. And the scientifically proven part just says our innovative two-stage filtration purification process is lab tested to be effective against a range of contaminants. So now let's open this up right here. It's a little sleeve here. Nothing else to see here. And let's open this up. I believe I've already knifed this up here so that we can have a nice little easy access to this. We have a little instruction booklet, I believe, glued here. That will probably tell me everything I need to know about. There you go. About my water filtration. There we go. Now you've got the magical touch. We're not going to go through every page, but it's basically just going to give you instructions of how to do it, how to use it, and how to install your pitcher. And here is it has an actual app that apparently the app gives you a certain amount of information on the water you have currently in your pitcher, and tells you when to change the filters, and tells you when your water is ready to drink. which I think is pretty darn cool. So let's take this bad boy up and see what it looks like here. Well, here it is. Pure water is within reach, as you can see from down there. Let's see if there's anything else in here before I show you the picture. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope. Let's see. Maybe there is something here. Let's see. It's like a little handle in here. Let's see if we can take it out. The box is empty. This was at the bottom of the box. Let's see what we have. Oh, looks like the filter and possibly a charging cord to charge your water filter, and we have our actual filter, I believe, here. That's what it looks like, at least. Anything else in here? Nothing else in here. Let's see. So this is sealed. What does it say here? Hello, I'm biodegradable. This bag is made with biodegradable plastic. Simply toss into your trash when you're done. I'm guessing this is the filter. I gotta read the instructions about this bad boy, so I'm not gonna open that one. This is your little cord. It has a weird little connector there, but I'm sure that connects right to the pitcher. And the moment of truth here. Now there was, they had two variants of colors. They had the white, all white one, which was still sold out. And they had this blue one, which, you know, I didn't mind. Let's see what we got. All right, let's, oof, that looks nice. That looks super crisp, super nice. Look at this. This looks amazing. Look at that. Wow. Very shiny plastic. Just like your Brita filter, your Brita bottle, water bottle. This is, I'm sure, where you connect your charging dock here. Let's see if we can take out this tape. Okay, we are back. It's told me after reading the instructions carefully to remove this. Okay, here's the, well, this part, the cover part of the water pitcher. Tells me to remove this somehow. I guess this is where the filter goes, in here. Looks like it fits right in. If you look at it here, like this. Yep. It tells me to remove this wand and charge it. So I'm gonna have to charge it and get back to you on that as well. All right, just want to show you this. Me removing it. You just gotta pull it out. Hopefully I'm not breaking it. There it is. It's telling me to remove this. This is the inside of the pitcher right here without anything in there. It's telling me to remove this. There you go. Like so. It's kind of heavy. This is where the battery is. This is where the filtration goes. Okay. This is where the charger goes. Here, let's do it up real quick. Charge it up, and once I have it charged up, I will get back to you. This goes here, I believe. Not too sure where this goes, to be honest. Oh, right here. This is the magnet right here where it goes, and then you just charge it up. It's like a little magnet, so you'll see it go for it. So we're gonna charge this up, and we're gonna get back to you and see what it's like, see what it does. All right, so we're gonna grab our magnetic thing, put it down, and grab our thingamajig here, our little thing that they told us to charge, and let's put it into the pitcher. All right, so here it is. There's a light coming out of it for some reason, but I'm just gonna place this right in here as requested. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, look at the lights. I'm gonna put it in. We are going to take this off here. All right, and we're gonna take out this from the package here, and we are going to put it into the little slot that's in there. So I've removed the filter. It looks like there's a little bit of a powdery thing in there. I guess that's what filters the water. All right, it looks like it was a little moist on the bottom as well when I took it out of the bag. There's probably a little moisture in there. As you can see, I don't know what that's for. I don't know why that is, but we're gonna go over here. We're gonna lift this little thing up here. Just make sure we don't touch the filter with anything that's not supposed to be there. Okay. All right, it's telling me to soak it in water for 10 seconds before I actually put it in the pitcher. So that's what I'm gonna do. And leave it standing here, or sitting here for 10 seconds. Okay, I believe it's been 10 seconds. So let's take this out. It doesn't tell me to dry it or anything, it just tells me to put it right in here. So we're gonna put it right into the pitcher. Okay, let's start running some water here so that we're ready. Fill this up, put the lid on there, like that. And we are told to fill the water. Okay. The light has actually turned on automatically to filter out that water. So let's put on the lid. Okay. And it actually tells us to pour out there's the water, a little stream of water, if you can see it. It tells us to pour out the first batch because there might be some dark carbon inside when you actually see it. Let's see if that's the case once the water comes in. Look at the blue light. I think it's filtering on top as well. All right, it's almost there. Let's check the top here. Can I just remove this? How exactly do I do this? Still good amounts of water in here left. Okay, so the water has stopped coming out of the hole up top. We're gonna raise the lid up. There is no more water in here, so we're just gonna, I don't see any dark carbon in here, but I'm gonna follow the instructions and just pour it out. Let's see how it pours at least. Not bad. There goes. The blue light has turned off, which means the filtration process was done. Okay. All right, now we're just gonna fill it up with more water. I don't know if I can fill it up through this hole here, but let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, so something I just found out was that this actually has a fill flap, and it allows this to fill up. I'm guessing you have to turn it off eventually so that it doesn't overspill and get into the actual pitcher in there. But it does have a fill flap, which is nice, a nice little touch there. And this light should hopefully turn on soon to start filtering everything out. It's filled, that's for sure. Let's push the button and see if that works. There you go. And there you go. The filtering process has started for the second batch. And we should be good to go. All right, so now we are going to take this glass and we're going to take this pitcher, which is already nice and filtered. And we're just going to pour it in here and just give it a little taste. See what kind of water we're working with. Very, very delicious. Definitely doesn't taste like tap water, that's for sure. So it's very, very, very good. Just like the water bottle that came before it. Just like the portable LARQ bottle that I have, that I still drink out of and still use, and still works perfectly. You have this now that you can drink at home. Now, is it any good? I don't know. I just started using it. So
This is just a preview unboxing. I'm gonna edit in a look at the app to see what it says about this water here. And I'll put that in here, post edit, and then that's it. Hopefully in 6 months, it'll still be working. And hopefully I can give you a update review of it once I've used it for about 6 months. See if it's actually worthwhile and see if it's actually been lasting as long as this that I use every day. And it's still as good as new. So, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the in-app preview as well once I put that in here. Other than that, enjoy the almost here spring and summertime. And hey, now you can have this and have some healthy, uncontaminated tap water when you're thirsty in the summer, you know? So there you go. Here you go. Ciao.
All right, so here we have the app here. We can add the product, push the button on top of the pitcher. And we have our Leo I'm drinking water, name for my pitcher. And it gives us all this information about the pitcher. And basically, let's see what we got here. It's loading, advanced filter, brilliant. We got the pure VS normal. We have all the savings on there, 1.3 pounds. We have $10 saved in plastic water bottles. We have your filters performing brilliantly to keep your water pure. 0.9 gallons. Filter age 1 day, because I just opened it up and I just started it up. So let's see, we have power settings here, power saving, normal mode, and max power. Wow, I wonder what max power does. Probably really filters that water, you know, really goes in there. Activate on fill, self-cleaning. I want all of that good stuff there. Make sure to self-clean itself. Let's see. Let's go back here. Let's see what else we can find on here. We have my product name. We have my color, Monaco Blue. Normal mode, the lock mode. Activate lock mode to turn off the pure Viz wand. Lock mode, disable self-cleaning mode for storage and cleaning. I guess so that the battery doesn't waste. That's a good feature, actually. Pretty good. That's all my information for my water bottle, my serial number, and all that good stuff. Nothing crazy there. Let's see what else we got here. Let's see, anything else? Oh, to change my name, my product name, which I already changed. Leo I'm drinking water instead of Leo I'm chewing gum. And this is, again, the advanced filter options here. Basically how the filter works and all that good stuff. It's a pretty good app. Very simple, but pretty good. And again, there's the more information on how much we're saving and how much water we've been actually filtering through here in gallons. Now let's take a look at the shopping part of it. We have the advanced filters for $24, the essential filters, which are a little step downwards, it's $20. But for the most part, you know, you can buy stuff, reorder filters here, just in case you need some. So that's a pretty good part of the app, I believe, especially if, you know, I'm looking to just get a new filter. So for the most part, this is the app. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. In about 6 months, I'll give you a feedback on how it's going. But so far, going pretty good. Water tastes really good. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Twitter, Leo I'm Chewing Gum. And I hope you liked the video. Hopefully it helps you out. And hopefully you can get your hands on one of these pitchers that I think are still in back orders, and as are the filters. Bye.